Hey guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to become part of this family. To my returning subbies, guys, welcome back. Today is Friday. It's just 1:15 and we will be doing cluster lashes together. So I got this from a TikTok shop. It's a friend on TikTok. She's selling these cluster lashes with the glue and a really good quality fan. It comes with a brush, and she also gives this glue holder and the sellotape. So I think all this was $380 if I'm not mistaken. I can link her number down below if you want to order this. If you are in Cape Town, then you can get it really easy. So let's get into this installation. The longest is 15. These are the lashes, really good quality cluster lashes. So yeah, let's get into it. Cut your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is hurting. Trying to make some little change to me. I'm worried my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my all my favorites. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside. Good. So we are done. It's giving natural. I love how natural it looks. I have very sensitive eyes, so this didn't sting one bit. Like, it wasn't burning my eyes. You know, it's perfect. It's really good from Mimikyu. But as I said, you can get this from her at a really affordable price as well. So I'll just list the numbers down below. I will also list my map length, because I used 15, 13, and what's this? I think it's 11 and 10. Yeah, that's my map length that I use. I do wish there was a bit longer sizes, because I really like long lashes, but this will do. I love it. Love, love, love. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. It's perfect. I'm really getting so hot here inside. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Hey guys, good morning. It's Saturday. It's 5 minutes past 9. We are leaving the house at 9:30. So I have about 20 minutes to install this wig real quick. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be as fast as I can. We are going to waterfront with my friend and her son. So I'm just trying to
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying.
Abby? No.
See a lot going on. I hear
Yeah, I will be going with these LV earrings because they are Daniel Wellington. Then I'll also be wearing my gold watch. Every time I use this, I'm gonna pair this with the Joe Malone. Yeah, it always goes so well together. I always get so many compliments like this. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another day into this vlog. Guys, today is hair wash day for both me and my daughter. Yesterday I had my cornrows. I think I've had it for 2 months in. So I just unbraided yesterday, and Abby's hair is also unbraided. I need to do her hair. And with my daughter's hair, if you guys have seen my other videos, Abby, bring those wipes. Bring those wipes. If you guys have seen my other videos, she has very natural coarse hair, and it's really painful. Let's be honest, if you have natural hair, you know how painful it is. Even detangling it, whether it's wet or what, it is quite still painful. I'm very tender-headed, so I can just imagine the pain she feels, because even with my little soft hair, it's painful. So, and I've been I do try to do some research on her hair just to make the natural hair journey more easier for her, you know. So I have seen some reviews of people using flax seeds, and they boil it, they cook it up, and it turns into a gel, and they've been using that as a detangler. It also has amazing benefits for hair. So we're gonna give this a try today, and yeah, since I'll be washing her hair, so we're gonna do this together and see how it works. I bought this off Takealot, but I think you can get it at Discam, Clicks, wherever. Yeah. And yeah, so we'll be using it as a detangling gel and a hair mask right now for her. So I'm gonna leave it on. You can leave it on for as long as you want. I'm also gonna put it on my hair. So let's get into it. Look at him. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on us and drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew. Yeah, you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh, it's just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young killer, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas Thursday, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I gave it all for